Hi YouTube, today we're going to practice adding and subtracting numbers with decimals. Let's look at some numbers with decimals. Let's take 23.46 to minus 21.13. Okay, so how would we do this problem? Well, the first thing I want you to do is rewrite them and make sure to line up the decimals. That's the most important number to line up. Let's start by writing that 23.46 like that. We're going to subtract. I'm going to change this to a 7. I think it'll just make the problem a little more interesting. So we're going to subtract 21.73. And so now we're going to line up that decimal. So I'm going to write that decimal of the blue number, 7, 3. And if you line up the decimal, all the other numbers will line up in their correct spot. So the hundredths will be beneath the hundredths, the tenths, and the tenths. Or if you see my other videos, I think of them like money, pennies over pennies, 10 cents times minus times, dollars minus dollars, and $10 bills minus $10 bills. Let's go ahead and subtract these. Well, 6 pennies, I'm going to use that kind of language, but 6 hundredths minus 3 hundredths, so you can think of it 6 pennies, take away 3 pennies. That would leave the person in red with 3 pennies. This person has 4 dimes. Their friend wants 7 dimes from them. They do not have enough dimes to give them. So what they're going to do is they will borrow from their dollars and make themselves have $2 and change one of the dollars into 10 dimes. So now they have 14 dimes. Now they could easily give their friend 7 dimes. So they would have 7 dimes left. They would have 7 dimes left. Now they only have $2 left because they turned 1 into 10 dimes. Now $2 minus a dollar. Yep, I can definitely do that. And we would have $1 left. And what's super important is when you get to this decimal, make sure you copy it down on your new one, straight in a line. And then you have 2 $10 bills. Your friend wants 2 $10 bills. You'd have 0 $10 bills. So the answer would be $1.73, or 1 and 73 hundredths is how they'll say it. So 23.46 minus 21.73 is 1.73. Now let's try the same problem, but let's do addition. So we're gonna quickly just add these two numbers. Let's go ahead and try that out and see how that looks. So change that to a plus, and let's do that. 6 pennies plus 3 pennies, well, that's going to be 9 pennies. So now they're like combining their stacks. 4 dimes plus 7 dimes, well, that's going to be 11 dimes. We're going to put one of the dimes here, and then the other 10 dimes, we're actually going to convert that to a dollar and put that with the rest of the dollars. So it's the same amount of money. We're just putting the 10 dimes over there. $1 plus $3 plus $1 is $5. And again, we line up our decimals. And 2 tens plus 2 tens is 4 tens.